Hello, I'm Gary from Ideas Count. I'm here to show you a tutorial on the process of reviewing and evaluating an idea in the Ideas Count system. As a supervisor, you'll receive many suggestions for improvements. The Ideas Count system makes it easy to evaluate these ideas and decide if they should be implemented. Sign on to the Ideas Count system using your normal username and password. The difference for a supervisor is the three links in blue. We will go to the Review Ideas link and see what ideas are awaiting review. This idea was submitted by Bill Ding, and at this time still has several hours of the original 48 remaining before it goes into the unreviewed ideas list on the company administrators page. Let's take a look at the idea by clicking on the Review Idea button. This is the idea as it was submitted. The problem description should outline the root cause of the issue, and it should have sufficient data to show a real understanding of the situation. Data and tests are helpful in clarifying the problem's scope and impact. The suggested improvement must be a well-considered, implementable solution to the issue. As with the problem description, tests and trials that offer proof of the effectiveness of the solution are helpful. The benefits should be specific results expected from the changes proposed in the suggested improvement, and will frequently fit into one of the faster, better, or cheaper categories. The expected benefits checkboxes are used to group ideas for reporting. In the evaluation, you can change the checked boxes to show the projected impact areas. Once you've read over the submission, you are able to evaluate the idea. Click on the Evaluate button, and up pops the evaluation form. The problem identification section evaluates how well the problem was defined. Using the two scale of 1 to 5 questions, 1 being low and 5 being high, indicate how well the problem description identifies the true problem and identifies the root cause. The two yes-no questions indicate if any testing or data collection was used in the problem identification process. In the Suggested Improvement section, you are asked to evaluate the quality of the suggested improvement using two yes or no questions and two scale of 1 to 5 questions. Was the solution put forth for the identified problem? And on a scale of 1 to 5, how practical is the solution? Were any tests or trials done to evaluate the solution? And does the solution show a clear understanding of the situation and the problem to be addressed? The Implemented Effects section applies to ideas that have already been implemented. The answer to the first question determines the need to answer the next three questions. If the idea has been implemented, then how easy will it be to measure the effect of the changes, and will there be other ripple effect benefits from the implementation, and can they be measured as well? The Estimated Yearly Savings box is available for both implemented and not yet implemented ideas. This estimate should include any cost reductions or cost avoidance that did or would result from the implementation of the idea. As I mentioned earlier, in the Estimated Benefits section, you check those boxes that relate to the benefits expected from the implemented idea. The idea score results from the evaluation questions and will be credited to the submitter's account as soon as the evaluation is completed. The final result will be one of three options. The first is returning the idea to the submitter because they need to do a little more work on it before you can improve it. This choice will pop up a comment box to allow you to give specifics about why you didn't approve the idea as is. The second option is to approve the idea. This will get you a drop-down menu with two choices: straight approval or approval and recommendation for further award. The recommendation for further award is appropriate for ideas that are exceptionally well thought out and complete and deserve a little extra recognition. You can always save as a draft and return to the process later, too. The Submit button will enter your evaluation into the system and return you to your Ideas Count webpage. From here, you can review another idea, or maybe submit your own idea for your supervisor to review. I hope this has answered many of your questions about Ideas Count. Be sure to check out the other tutorials as well, and don't forget there's a lot of information in the FAQ section of the webpage, too.